jobusu mama mobile list ni nchiro esi edun ketia oyabunini Audu Sofu Azoka ofri Northern Region Srimni Dr. Sherry Agite Greater Accra oyenkrani Fifi Kwete o voter region wono kro ofri Togo yeba hen no betra ho me de minim no na ho Joseph Yami wono wonya no ma wono onye kubu aha no ye born atrase Joseph Yami wono onya no ma wono onye kubu ye born tra wonya santini NDC for no ankasa no muka no wono na nchen Sami Jamfi ono pankwase wo baabi na no ote eyere kopoku ada roma ne kofa ne bere kwadwobo nsu eno ba e betwitwa nsase ton ya no kobie splash lounge ate hwan eno kura gui ansa na NDC for free so won pam no egui so is such an element it me tro catch there say akufo de incompetent no abusa ne say commercial area e wo tech wadwuma na e de na gu ye fa no nto nchen what you say George Parado he's the only of Eastern region he's the only person yeah, Doctor Nabisi. Mistakenly, a man for free say, turn on off one Ashantes region, hafo. Touchment Yanumia, the Asante, hafo. Oh, the other 2 tanya, Mama Mohammed, one also sono, what saying, Zongo Cocos, one also sono, one Santini, and of course, MPP, we are the space setters. Or May independence, Yan Yankee history, we in the man Kromabeje. Yan Yade, what they saying, Yade, oh. Zongo a year we Democrat friends. Nasara any de buy. And a last a year for Marquati say Zongo caucus. And then somebody and Waba. So meaning so omo copy free. Minia Bible can sembi. I Matthew 3 dunsia. Chichemu edunusiano. Or say Naso ni penya we are seeing in what in the cra. And Fasobe no binya. Consistently. I see a Dunkatia campaign, a war yen and so on a near day, what the young cocoa bay we say, and pass to Saturday no, and I do not met now with your Muslim Yasia poor be out, the near day and near their day. Emma to the sense of a castle for some for your Christian here, Christian. And to our election, no crown is against Christianity, it's against peace. One must say for some for the near mre, ya poor be on your bassa, and near their day. Sabia so Kumukrom in and chess when near day. Obo okromo hini tua asma make no kokose sikasa kirebo ni kirifo a odi hwasa kwahene ekwe ofaso uye eti so obi bodi kromo hini tua enchese wono nani eden batakari asie dun kati akohyehyɛ ya 2008 ampanimfo atena ase ema akoye na beti ne ho tisa aboa ya apan ya ye hunu no meni asa you should be very careful I can tell you some dynamics necessary so dia no eto nkyɛn ya the omo kanyina no na mama nso asema odi hyemu ne se woman the violence beget violence but adia ba ko so e wo mebu sem tidum yesa chemu aduani ba ko say
that be the last point
meba was it bonity na boniyafo na atrenefo de or the papa tua wonka o ma adwene no a yenye de as they are laying claim our violence no in political communication obi bia your friend say your friend issue ownership no ne say you try all the you know or they saying all the sectors na obi anwoden when it comes to economy MPP anwoden no and the Akufo-Addo said it and we are justifying it eba eye energy ye ba ye mfie ekwayi ye na sumu do mama me da sumu security all the issue ownership we lay claim of omo the violence no omo emfa however adia ba kwa mechanic say asiedun katia or a grassroots person you can't take it out from him
yeah
or a grassroots person Joseph Yami ni say hunu ni nyina echi no or a grassroots person at least these 2 key people no there we can point it out and today's politics is not so much about what you've done. It's about how well you relate with the grassroots and how well you get connected with the academia, with the media, with the civil society group, with the traders association, with the farmers. So when to me and draw organogram to become so well connected, then I'm afraid. And one chances and national executive they should start recruiting people from all angles so that we help them. Now they came to me, now my mom 200 Ghana, now my MPP for 200 Ghana, and they swore to me, say, Fifi kote munipa, they will make sure say they will lose. Information I mean, you flew, I mean, na enwanwa. It one kasakra and nipa mono, when you be a unifier, or genuine self-centeredness, egocentric, and to one kasa, and they made a wrong mistake. No, Fifi kote in terms of language, minia. Per the 2021 election, you know, they say population and housing census, no. ya mkoye no resource no aka na yi ne ye 47.5%. Fifi kwete me ho ye kura wontimi nka. So how does he reach out to those people? The American mean ya some pan America no. 47.75% that can areas. Oh, there be me ho ye kura wontimi. Oh yes. So to me catch you just when Asantini ba na kani ba and ya me pe the dream. Oh you me lawyer. Oh I need the me pe the and the paboni dey said you dey hear the lawyer. And the Fifi go to me pe the obetumi aka. Wo ye no free one mo a me wo ye no ogina you say what? Tiano no dey.
Yellow fan we see na me bra
in terms of language no kra no and fan kra no over problem. E no na nchen. Minia, what do you know at Twinchaya? Fifi Kotewa Bay. 2008, everything they said, Yamiadum, me compare 2008, 2012, 2016. There's nothing new under the sun. Fair no Twinchain. Oh, Kofa Joseph Yami. Joseph Yami Mumpedi for. Joseph Yami Tia. Yami. Shadodia Betimo Drusu. Attend your didino. Shanyama Odia Samia Sapon, Emro Deputy Regional Minister. Yami Kroye, Emro Wofonkano, or say, and nam some Ashanti region Tino. Mekrano, Obiasi won't shame one Ashanti region. That was what he said. And they are co-found the number. Shayami Nikwakuba Himuntem, and also so Edaho. So Kofa will be to Sasami Jamfia. Makasa since 2006. Yam Yamaji Samekasa MPP. Obian Wabamesumbo say, Meno. You had to make court, and I say, in communication, if you are not responsible, you are not conscious of libel and slander. Now you Jimmy for Sebi. Shut then and say you only want to poku prempe. I crack it to near 500,000. Near the wife, no aquapacho, and internet that at best, some can talk, but you cannot communicate. There's a clear distinction between communication and now they are not to interminia. Sami Jamfini one year were they not part of 2020 election?
Yes.
Until there is nothing new under the sun. Fire no at one. So we are as someone Yakasia Bakuni say, and then must Ashanti region more pay. And of course, I appreciate their strategy because in communication and in politics, say Nipan and Poissem Kranwa Benwa, which meeting as massy. So every now and then they are here. A dear yes, year of voter region. Nancy Amenuko upon Krumakoya, Mikoya communication. Actually, one more how to create apathy in your opposition stronghold. Dr. Lecture every now and then he wants me to come there. Again, yes, you are adopted. We are not doing anything. If you are now, it's too early. If you are current executive, they do something about that. But the point is, Sabe, Muntimi Nania Santemai, Obri Pantampram, and the Yanam Sadia, and the Sadia and Tuana Munchini. Share National Executive from Koyi, none of them is an Ashanti. And now I mean tell I'm a picky free NDC for one say. Send a bay on mobile about Joe, Ashanti region. Either Sakwabnado for and